To learn more about this excellent service, please watch the rest of this short video and thank me later.
Please watch this short video and you will get the answers you are seeking.
We all know that ever since the release of Penguin algorithm update, Google deals harsh penalties for websites that use black hat SEO techniques. So here's an idea to keep you up at night. What if a malicious party, say, your closest competitor, starts using those techniques on your site just to try and get you penalized? This, ladies and gentlemen, is something that is commonly known as negative SEO. What is negative SEO? Negative SEO is the act of using black hat SEO on other websites in order to get them penalized by Google. But why would anyone commit a negative SEO attack? Similar to hackers, people who do negative SEO attacks might do it for various reasons. The most common negative SEO service is known as negative off-page SEO. As the name implies, negative off-page SEO attacks without internally changing your website. Mostly it revolves around using black hat or negative SEO link building practices and points them to the target website.